Hey again. Now that you've mastered the basics of CloudApp, it's time to look at the different ways that you can share a drop. So the first and easiest way to share a drop is just simply paste the link that was automatically copied to your clipboard. So when you create a drop, a link is automatically copied to your clipboard. That way you can just paste it anywhere and go. So you can paste it in your browser, you can paste it in Slack, or anywhere else that you want to. Another way you can share a drop is by clicking this button here. That'll either let you copy the link and open it in your browser, use it in mail, copy to messages, airdrop it, notes, and it has different functions on Windows as well. You can copy the drop content right here. That way, if you want to, for example in Slack, you can just paste it and upload the file itself without having anybody having to click on it. Another way you can share drops is through dragging and dropping. So you can easily just grab it and drop it wherever you'd like to. You can upload it to Slack, Gmail, anywhere. That makes it really easy. That's one of my favorite ways. Finally, there's a few other options right here that you can do it. So you've got the link copy again. You can copy the content. You can also copy a direct link to it. If you'd like to, you can also download your drop to your computer. Now, automatically, your drops are saved on the cloud, so you don't have to worry about storage space or anything like that. But if you'd like to, you can just download it to your computer as well. Also, from your drops here too, on your browser, you can have the option of embedding the HTML into your website. You just copy this code. There's a few different options to either hide the title, hide the branding, or keep both. You can just copy that, then put it into your website. So there you have it. Those are the different ways you can share a drop. And those ways really come in handy when you're trying to communicate quickly and clearly and save time and be more efficient.